my Gusua to an almost and minister and finance minister behe. Let's see a crack more okay, the contractor and not back to
SOMPA.
But nobody one more. Acha now to be the chief director of health today. Who we call Acha now to be a minister if I could do. I'm more than a ministry as a family. It's you to my ear. You could over there as a family there. Family a boy a home so. And she said anything over a boy a family a home so. Then I think a family with you and something can never adapt as part of my legacy project. Thank I buy it out the money safe on your legacy project on your also. They will move it to care woman. So I want to bring a legacy project so. The health minister so more central government. I know I at the moment. Some media you a finance minister and health minister. I will pay that to carry the one contractor number back. As a family, I am a Japanese and the executive. I am Biano. A Renaya Odo, some many CT. You challenge the young said they are comforters as a Hamoka. If it's a light facility, you must bear 2-3 months in a comfort as you remember moving along a baby a year. Most of the equipment they were facility a call. May have the business one by that and a private security firm be so also. As a private security firm, no, I'm saying, seek a ceremony contract in the workers, no. I'm saying, I'm going to remember now to answer the workers don't every side. And now we know Cashay, and that come in and something in the hall. The average of the carry as a carry, and family is a penny by said the real problem. Can you feel her? And she don't say officially as a family, mature. I'm a health minister and examining the fair. A moment of authorization now. Young fires as some dick a cry. If I'm to solar street light and find it with its name, said the bear. You can't make a clever honor with my body for the by my until the contract at the rubber. Immediate my day at Wasso.
Honorable Nudi and Kana, and then the next question I may Basson and what boss to say. A crom for chance here, area. I your mayor Japadia said they will can yes a war from Quadia, a your mining in Adia. A Diana Mutuna Mutua found where they can't say, said the baby during the abroso. It is a regional minister and finance, no, or more Emma Honqua and Nanka Mama Bambo for no Dianca, Mama Mohonia Hamaye, said the Baya, Bambo who begina ye, Nang Niamana Kakran, because Niamana good them who for pa. Out to me the share I had a sassy babua, now a crom form for who encoy and Tiano Diancanimu Muyano, Monia Mana can be say, a womusa abromo so the nenso, a woo ye facilitator, a Jawujina, Wadishan one name, and ne. Abino and name who see Mampany, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama name, and I will see Adishia woman so a wobblesome chin, a one so a name. It was woman name, would you say? Yet the timeline be air to swa. Yamma will break was saying now, yes, Abasa will be more. Yababa to say, I had a Sabiano. I shan't see a summer this year.
Odaruma, said me, trim for 50 years old now. Myself, I made this one as a chatron. But I was saying, I didn't kind of. Maybe me, my one year, a year. Facilitation a bit to my and it's a medium move up. The release in the finance minister and health minister. I'm meaning NCBiano. When Comodia, many health minister and a Modin Comono, NCBia, they are always in a process of NCBiano. A release will be given to the contractor. No, Ababa the year with the Kanakan. But like I said, you are telling me you are catching Biasa and Canadian installation of normal Biaka and Aka. You can share any money we say, I did release by even before after Easter move by Ukraine. We think by the end of the year, early next year, more dear, that facility the year. But then you could not say, I hope one ever bank them no, I'm a contractor at Maba.
Yo, honorable, any. Ye better was some packers boy to suffer only a chicken commoner. A chair besaba, and a monsoon year Juma say at Tisse, a bosom choba yen chair, dear Nansono, one hockey can. I would want some pack rounds so yes, you have far down for. Ye know, Ebeka boom, na bosom chair Juma pa woo yen, Yansia bohu de wuro, na this year na at Tinam pennies where Jaya one crying hey dear. Now ye can't on so who Juma pa woo ye, ever bosom chin. 80 ye the entoman swabo on tomano. Eti bibia ni ne ntiasia ye beba wo na ase biem na empumtuo bia nso a wo ye no wi asutira ye nso ye beba hu dawuro ama mansan nyina tinte so mpaka sebo ye da asese wo busy schedule nyina achi no wunya kwan edema ye da ase pi
Adaro I'm saying now man for no matter as the PC e dia mam say mo adwene ho na ye nyina ye japade e say be di ho nkomo na ye to dia ba
ye da CP engineer Abdullahi Hamidu eye bosomche aban krache panyini wono na ye ne no atwetwe nkomo no wakyerem se ampa woni mu pa na no kra wote se be bosumi miense ne akromfo hyase a wo mu wiawia ho ne manti so mpaka se bo wo mu no ani aso se ye ne wo mu ekọ nakra na ewom eti se de ye kan ne ye di akire ewo mu a ebesa ma ba wo bedu akọ wo se asem no ba bia duru no finance na afenso regional minister said that ye pese ne Dr. Franka Makoyin kra ekasa bibi nti na ye nya no na asem ye di akira so mpa de ye so asem a ye nya ne mfimfi ye nye radio stations no ofa asem no so ha wonte ne biem no we obesa te biem we obesa te ye besa asoma ba wa bosumi nsia achi ye be mo omo bre kakra 6 months achi ye besa akọ ne akwa hye ye de ye nya de yasem no fro a ye be hye se ye alpha and omega ye chance a ye wie ye nye wo mo report o no mo gya simfimfi ne da bi ye de ye gina mu a kopem se ye be hu sampa ensesa bi aba ensesa maaya ye nya ka da eti ye no ne ye nso kakra ye de aba be boso nti ye hye mo bo se ye be twen a busumi nsia achi no ye be sama ba wo bedu asa akosewu ho ne wakwa hwe se government hospital no a ye bi ano afini a emfidie egu ho no eho asem no etesei na yetimi ede amamo so mpaka se bo na wutie free sompa 106.5 FM Accra Pepsodent cavity aboye chidom time herba mixture ena afenso medimafo herba center ena eboa ama bibia edimi yede de kanyina ebeto aso
No, Sankaya Sohemua, Akabo, Sawamatra, be do not open to this page until you are told to do so. Not as a session be assembly again. And no, and a yadruno. Session no, I Sevilla Hospital, Huajuma, na hospital and some, and there away a casse bonupa. Na, Yako Timantemo. Ona, Nana Kane Atramani, Penny, where you queenie, what didn't fish your donumino. Sanusi, Musa, and a defreno. Na ozo wane fure ni herdsmen yi bi akwakodie hia na ntokwa akoso nya asam ketwa so wo yi ni nsem akira de etro no e opare ye wo oti afa ho ebenda mbaya abusua ese wani ense wo ka kire na ekowie no musa nya adaje edna kosem etro na nakin anim
Indiana Pamasari Fumuno, Makudun, Davia, Matran Kofi Fofrone, Mamuti Banchino, so Adika Abu Dada, enemy Afani for remember when you are married, and Mr. Tunkanya, come, Intino Manante, by the Matun Kanyano, and Mamusomu, and one of Makona Makocha Flan, the Flan, Ava, Odin, and Jordan, and Kabaira, Fifria, no more far of us, even with the say by Renede, Intimam Samefa, one film, Namasema, Kinama Ban Mikutunkanya. You could go Tunkanya and bubu pra mapaja mitino plan nene na ntwene na bedroom nchena ni machenze plan ne wona makiro sisi mensamba bium no sentunu monsamba hande no odidi wa hada dansa na me mabedo
enti Musa Sarusi ana ekasai se ada na ode wo mu eba bedidi mafum okoka asasemi ekowie na fure ni ene no akompanya asamkoto ama ne nsam nyina atwitwa na wie na fure ni papa nso yewura batu ba chese ne ba no sede wono kire ne se enfuwura ni twa ba so wo bebo no hudi kankura brim no kakra wie ne seka ekura no nso wo sa age afiri ne nsam ana wo twa ne seka na asa efefa ne nsam
ana tayo sana jua kukoliji ana ko bapanya fo hon ni gura fu ba atem na bashian usina jo ndani hancho na mungu no do be won to be ba shi no ba da ni ba da no ana o shada tuni ba ta fa asa da no ma ta fa be ba tu fa ko so shi ni da no ma da ni ka bo no je ne aba so ni ba ni kadan ta ba shi on to ji kadan to no ka kadan ta ba ta akira ni tu ana
eno fure ni no ode na ntwe kwa didi Musa from no ne papa na ekasai owura bature na ewie ya na assembly member ye wo parpare etra area aze kali wanso ba be kire se o enokre asam no esi nanso se de owura bature di kan kasai wakase abamu ano ho ka hospital ka nyina wo befa ekire nkomo foforo wo ekire ne hoto ne wi a won besan di
fa aye fulani ni no ne abrantia no asem no eba manim dina me ye lesasin obako fulani na twen krantia abako na pra no aye na hospital ka na be fulani ne de aye ne se entwen enhwe yarefo no pa enkodu da miensa da na ye hwe se na pomuti no na ya tumi atra na ya resolve asem no na ye ka na e wo ho no na watuama na asem no ye tumi atwa so me da
eno assembly member wa parpare electoral area eno ewo dambaya fa ho wotimantem na ken ene to asemi mane ye
me kan wo say pepsodent cavity hot bite kasebo ene de esum no na ye konsem foforo so wo soafo be de echi ohye sikasam ene ntutu ye say honorable Thomas Nyanko Ampem what de atodwa say dwumako efa ne Ranks Logistics ebra auditor general report eba bonten say sika bia akwakwakodi wo mo ho no ano ohye evi say ye tue sika ma na broso ena eniema bi esese no omudi kodru baabi no dodo na ayirae no sa dwumako efa ne Ranks Logistics for no ma refund sika sum 19.1 million Ghana cedis wo de aba ebra auditor general report na edison ansem ne baaye na enam so bebra wo kasa na deputy minister honorable Ampem Nyako ebo amane se dienti a auditor general report ye ne se ebo amani pa bi a wo mo fa sebua kwan so mo man sika kodi wo mo nsam ye gye ya de ene obi nso wo ho akakra na aka na yetimi bo ho ban enti ampa Ranks Logistics for no wo mo de sika esum 19.1 million Ghana cedis aba beto wo man na sika botini mu.
On the 10th of March, I came to Parliament to present the findings of the audit and the subsequent referral to this committee. And exactly a week after, on the 17th of March, one of the companies that were identified to be associated with some of the infractions has responded. Rams Logistics was the company that was stated to have been overpaid for the transportation of grains. Exactly a week after the presentation, the company has gone ahead to refund 19.1 million cedis to the state. And if you look at the...
Eni ayeti ye honorable Thomas Nyanko Ampem no na obi na deputy finance minister wasanto asubiem se attorney general wo hwe ni mu se nipa bia esese ye hwe na special audit report ne ye no wo mo nso eye ho adwuma.
The Attorney General is working with his team to recommend the right course of action for all these infractions that have been identified. So this is to show that the audit was necessary, the audit was intended and is beginning to achieve its purpose of saving and protecting public funds. Thank you.
We was one for be the church sika samne ntoto so honorable Thomas Nyanko Ampem wono ene copy public accounts committee animo no wode sansem ye tudwa ka mo se SOMPA kasebo ene wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM akra na ye ka mo biem se ene the senior national team the Black Stars match dintino ye the live commentary ebebre mu eno nsia pa ho sema aduanan ya eti no nsia pa mu no ane ye de kasebo no abawie ye gye ahome kakra na afei safo kantanka be ma ne edoma aka nyina no wo mo e de commentary abremu ti stay tuned ebra ye de live commentary ebebre mu e de fi SOMPA 106.5 FM akra
eno Ghana ne German ene se tibia ye be woso wo mo se ye be se wounded lions no na court na napia mensa na mwai na asem a ewo court yi ho nkomo asan abubaba na wo mo fra asem no a empanimfo a wo mo ye na mra nimfo ba ya na napia mensa na mwai wono a wa mabi adan yeso won tiapo enti ne doctor kura chiro krata e de ama won se wo mo famre court no na doctor se ne yade no wotunofo se wontwe ne ho mfiri maximum physical exertion mu na eno sa no emma wontimi nkonipam ana bibia eye gidigidi asembia ne se hunti won de eka e de akire se adama se de emra no etie no wo mo ema wonni asem no ewo tisanka zoom a na fe eno nso wo mo edinisa ntinkaja wote na konwa mu na wo mo hwe no na fe enkomo yese won mu de bia wo madi pani ntansa ode agu ne komu ne se wo fasebu akwanso nyansa kwanso age binum sika afiri wonsem ebio yeso obedi sika hudwa nanso na wone ye ho nkrata sika okwanso hudwa wodi bia na nkrata bia ni so nanso santansa ede abone nyina no wonyanye ntomu se wodifo enansa so ama yama ne benya wo mo frɛ no court yes say wo mo de krataa ba enti wo ma hye se chenchena chance me de wo mbedi na nso ni nyina wo mbedi a ene na wo mbe consider de AKOSUA yi abusua ene bosume de etoso de duasa sade yedi kan ball so se anopa no emema no Rhapsody ama SOMPA Rhapsody ene na ehontoma pa no eba so enti awiam no uhu se yenyamra October mu nanso na ma menye pink October pink no a na no nso no eye SOMPA delight no a na ene na oba pa bna refi obetena ase ono na eba anyontofo atu nyamenyomu a nyame nwosra wom no obese wo mampani no wono na dwumade ni nyina na esire na so no wo ba no empani sintaso nkonante wono nkonante na ne wo mo pa ho ntoma na ma me mere gansa ma me betena apaso na onua se wantumi antie bia enkomo no wo de tie wei
good news say your door so pa like 2000 years ago na mbano nyamere nkwana na o virgin omodos banyankopon kanea ebeto Mary ena ono so ye wheeling so ne nyame ebe partnership na nyankopon timopo a manifest nti sana me hu mpa ehwehwe obi mana bedi ochiame no wona nyese nkofo ni wo a light na ton so at time at this be ye woman of the moment with the pleasure be brain croft say do 1 o'clock who cannot help it but to sense woman kuma ebeto wo mo yem
eno uye mfoni a na etwago ya anyontofo atu nyamenyo wo mo president no oba pa bna rufi wono na SOMPA delight no wotena prolity na ewi Reverend Thomas Yosin se eba trokronkron mu ade kira wa bere mu sei afi nyame mu nyomo no nso kra ne kira ne twore ne bibia pani nso no opa no so wokasa bi.
First of all, thank God, you've started such a long overdue. Yeah, because it's like Yeshia where for how you gather people, the women and stuff. I mean, it's good, say, hire an extension of what you are doing so that not only the few people will be blessed, but the larger numbers. Only I'm praying, say, Enye Ahamkwa, everyone say BBC, one thing I've recognized about you, say, anywhere you go, like people say, brighten the corner, anywhere. I followed you wherever you go, you sort of bring some sort of light. So I'm praying the light that is in you go through this radio and enter every house, enter every home.
Na Reverend Yosin yue no, na Empress Gifty. I say, adi bia ye di nyame na sha ase no. Say tie bia ewe ye na kakra.
I believe in
yeah, a real kunimdie. Aha, na SOMPA for Asha ni nyame na Asha se.
Time I ye boy SOMPA like Empress of Empress film.
Na Empress wie ya na de wato wan kwa ma me ya na dan Dana Hammond wono so de na de epi so e wo pa na so.
Aha, na SOMPA for Asha se ni nyame na Asha se. Ene ye wo ha nyina ye Christopher nyina Asha se wo Christo Yesu dimo. Enti etiefo ene ya hwefo mo hwe Facebook ba bia no. Omo gi yentum na SOMPA de se wo sum obi SOMPA wo sum ni ya. Wu kura wo gina japade ye de ma wo. SOMPA for awabe ya magana for. Enti yensu ye ba be di mo chi ye. Se na be ya mo so mo ko so asum musicians a ya ban ya na.
Enti we ya wo mo a abo enema asemiam pa wiase asemiam na wo ma fa nyame na wo mu hu se ba bia nyame wo no eba ne se ne ete se de wo de ka kire pe no wa ye nkatekwan ene ato no wa ne dim eno na ene abna ruti tena se no wo no ma eba apa no so wo mu di dance
na se wa hye no so SOMPA Rhapsody eba so edwoada kosi efiada anopa no wotwe ekosi anopa no ndu 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Reverend Professor Joseph Osafuodu, our seasoned clinical psychologist, now a theologian, now physiologist, now was Sansuye Pentecost Sofopenini, Ewo East Legon, or no ena etnejamu, now or de Abrabomunim, dear my na fe Unia Bacosia Guabaji, so matanichi, na edimu, na edru, SOMPA delight, dear, no dear Evia. A social entertainment show. I know a basso a jum to ni a abna rusi our no so a women in gospel music president or no and a better say a joda could see a fiada and a via donko eco see a via nomiansa 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. na no so no na watina dwumtisha no so si ahyehyɛ dwumadi bebrema wa ebema radio experience na adan so fi sɛ sompa akra de ye danso ye ni competitor station a wutia etitru nimdifo omo aben omo adwene mo be ɛna wote wo monka eti wote wo monka ma wabra boss sanye wo bia keke ɛna de ne betena sompa akra ɛnyɛ sabie wo bia keke sɛ wote wo bi ne ɛwɔ sompa akra so no tumi sɛ nipa no ne mu odu ankasa nipa no kyese ne mu do ankasa won hye danye light okuta weight ni weight no emu ye weight ankasa na wotie Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo, one of the youngest professors and now we head of department University of Ghana Psychology Department now we na ho brasia eno no oba be church wonti ya na wotie sound so na ye nuaba Abna Ruthie Anna or no so a woman in gospel music or a president na so or your second vice Emma musica or no so next say this social entertainment shows no a day abroad na fe when you bakosia guabuache na menso so mede we see more than 25 years experience our broadcasting na no so ye dia town so na bibia ko nti sompa akra de bomodian say we came to set the order ye ene edi kan na omanfo ahye no mo asua yen fa wafidie ne to ha efi adwada ekosi efiata ena weekend na hodo na dwumadi ahodo no ye de ma sanso na Kobla Abuchi I no so your friend aka Prof no so e de for God and County dwumadi no de abro from 3 p.m. to 5:30 and also from Monday to Friday no ye wie nso a your second service no enye obi akeke Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro one sia and etem at the second service dwumadi no ebrewo na nanu so Prophet Mango Day wono nso so no woginamu a utimi sampa nti efri anopa ekosi enumre de woma obete wo nka e wo sompa akra no utimi se wabrabo no ebesesa ebefren monyem akwanimo na wutie kasebo nso so a womo de dwumadi no ebrewo no kasebo a emu ede no wonua ba akosi agoaboaje medi wo manim kan apam dada na wotachire adwo asare akosi adwe wakode sanso e na wobrempon abake e na wo hene yere abrewatia na no so ya kabom se team ne de kasebo a wonya yesu tipen na no so ya de abra ye voices no kra wotia tum sapa we mu de wo class no e wo soro ankasa sompa akra onapo ye frɛ no wo benyampo etia na wahye no so ye kan mo sɛ nyame yadomu a bono nsia pɛmu pɛpɛpɛ ye de kasebo no bɛba wieye na ye de diaka nyina nso ato so na ye kwakwakwagye ya home ye gye ya home ne ye bapɛ ne ye de diaka nyina aba ansa na commentary no a the senior national team the Black Stars any Germany match no commentary no a ye bɛfa bi nso osompa akra no na ye de ato mo so.
Are you clapping? Are you giving God the glory? Hallelujah! Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah! We all know that the problem is not a spiritual problem. The problem is a dental problem. She was saying, use Pepsodent charcoal toothpaste to remove yellow. Somebody shout amen.
Craft your smile with Pepsodent charcoal. It removes stains and whitens teeth. This advert is FDA approved.
Are you clapping? Are you giving God the glory? Hallelujah! Every day you wake up shouting, my business is not moving. Customers are not coming. But look, my brother, my sister, who are you deceiving? Have you smiled today? Do you have the confidence to smile? Your face alone is chasing people away. Yeah!
Midimafo, Pokwase Nyira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Nyira Accra.
Midimafo clinic Accra. And you expect sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international national awards ahodoɔ mo gi local awards ahodoɔ na anu nso na wo mo bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gi 21st clinic nkoa wo mo de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de kɔ ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a wo mo ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill roundabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert.
SOMPA TV Emma Akatuapa.
And okre abusua Akatuapa pampa ye mamu ene twen ye kwa amanone ne yakwe kase no. America mampani Donald Trump say wono hu nyedi hu. Ena de ekosu bia no nso no. Ewom se Strait of Hormuz ho no wo mo block ye ne se de ne nani abre se wo mo mi na kwanto mu nyina no. Amanfo France afa bronya ho rekra kase a wo mo twa edifa akire. Ebi e Russia, yewra Vladimir Putin. What is on Cuba for? Any amount be mukra, Burkina Crack home. Dija, no ye casesi, and no able to monam. Nanso, one, one be editia.
I would say, I told them, if a country wants to send some oil into Cuba right now, I have no problem. Whether it's Russia or not, what? Doesn't help him. He loses one boatload of oil, that's all it is. If he wants to do that, and if other countries want to do it, it doesn't bother me much. It's not going to have an impact. Cuba's finished. They have a bad regime. They have very bad and corrupt leadership, and whether or not they get a boat of oil, it's not going to matter. I'd prefer letting it in, whether it's Russia or anybody else, because the people need to eat.
Enti America mampani Donald Trump say Russia ena wonya no woyire no wose so de bekwa ko Cuba one day wontie bibia
kasebo no wasi na ensemo a yede som wonumre de makotene bi ene se adehye wosewu a eno ewo bosomche district ewo Ashanti region asasante mantemmo e de sede atodwase wo mo besrempanifo se ayarsabe yese wo government hospital no asi ho afini wo mesiesie na ensom adehye na assembly members so de na notum se wo mo kwan no enye enti empanifo emrem
sada na yeko otimantemo fule ani ne bia wakotwe sika de fa musansemu a akwakoye bibio wa sabre woje ayarehwe na na ken etomane ye
Deputy Finance Minister Swafo Bedi Echira wo chesika samso Honorable Thomas Nyako Ampem wo de atodwa se Rans Logistics EBPM say yetue sika ma ne borosoma wo mo no wo mo de 19.1 million Ghana cedis assign abre aban
na ene sompa akra wo de boba akukun no mami no sompa Rhapsody anopa da ena afi sompa delight eno nso esu bi awia no na wo mo nyina de anuonyam ama awurade abusua efiri ho no na mo ayansam no wo mo frei na yase wo yare bi a ene kwanse wo bani pam na enwachi nso kura ye kasa bebre e wona asom nti wo mbedi na asam kura gise zoom ye kwa amanone mampane Trump say Russia for wire wo mso wo de kwa akoma Cuba for a wono enkan coat na kan shirt
ye de kase boy sumonumre eyemme die nyame ehira no akosua ago abowaje obetimi so afrem yakosua ehira mene medoba
triple A man ejapia apam dada
na Sompa kase boy e free Accra no e fire headquarters e wo komase Sompa 93.1 FM ayiko 100.9 Adam for radio Paris France takwa Sompa e 101.1 Techima Sompa e 106.1 Sunyana Sompa e 98.9 Enkranza Sompa mensonom e 90.7 Mankasim e Kingdom 106.1 FM Decoder Subebia radio no e Sompa FM live ye Facebook page no e Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and YouTube no see Sompa FM live your website www.sompaonline.com Kanesh Urban Radio or Kanesh Market and Doma FM Doma Hinkron so a boy a Pepsodent cavity so would you choose NHS one year was bro do the two before you go to bed you see anopa and don't reach you see so be a romance in bed no we kunu rebeko ye medima for Herbal Center Dr. Tamoda so sebra na yemfa time ento yare no so time Herbal mission so the time ebeto yare no so na wo no mo no na etu asie monam yaw malaria ni nyina nso ekoyi sabre de yes sorry studio near the live commentary ebremo the senior national team the Black Stars and Germany at the Ebosoko SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra.